Do you still not know what to do when your orchids are gradually finishing all their flowers? Don't rush to throw them away. Today, I accidentally picked up an orchid that was discarded at the garbage dump. The plant had finished blooming and was thrown away by its previous owner because they thought it no longer had value. But in reality, if you care for it properly, orchids like this can completely regrow roots, recover, and develop into a healthy orchid, even blooming brilliantly after a period of time. Let's bring this orchid home and repot it from the beginning. Don't scroll past. Press subscribe to the Wonder Garden channel and watch until the end of the video to see how I restored this orchid. First, when you want to repot any orchid, remove all the old substrate if the plant is weak, exhausted, or shows signs of fungal disease. Old substrate after a period of use often accumulates bacteria and fungi and retains moisture too long, causing the root system to suffocate, lack oxygen, and easily rot. Completely removing the substrate helps you clean the environment around the roots and also easily check the condition of the root system to cut off damaged parts. When the root system is cleaned and well ventilated, the orchid will have better conditions to recover, stimulate new root growth, and absorb nutrients more effectively in the next stage. In addition to the English voice, we have now created dubbed voices in French, German, Italian, Spanish, Portuguese, Japanese, Hindi, and Indonesian to help you understand the content more easily. Listen in your preferred language by opening the video and clicking on Settings, the gear icon, to select the appropriate audio language. After removing all the old substrate, you will clearly observe the entire root system of the orchid. At this point, use scissors that have been disinfected. You can use alcohol or antiseptic solution. Then proceed to cut off all damaged, mushy, or dried roots. Disinfecting tools helps prevent the spread of bacteria and fungi to healthy roots, and pruning helps the plant eliminate parts that can no longer absorb nutrients. As a result, the plant will focus on nourishing healthy roots while stimulating stronger new root formation, helping the recovery process happen faster and more effectively. To ensure safety, I will rinse the entire plant again with clean water. This helps remove dirt, bacteria, and fungi remaining on the roots and stem after pruning. When rinsing, you should do it gently to avoid damaging the healthy roots. Which country are you watching this video from? It's wonderful that we can connect with each other from all over the world. If you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, please hit the subscribe button to support me and not miss any orchid care tips. After that, let the plant dry naturally in a cool, well-ventilated place, helping it stabilize and be ready for the next steps. To treat this orchid, I will use lemon, a very familiar ingredient available in almost every household. I will use half a lemon. Squeeze the juice to prepare the treatment solution. Lemon juice has mild acidity and natural antibacterial and antifungal properties, helping clean the surface of the roots and stem while supporting the removal of remaining pathogens. If you want to learn the secret to caring for Phalaenopsis orchids, make sure to watch this video carefully until the end. Your your orchids will become strong, grow new roots, and bloom vibrantly all year round. I will dilute the juice of half a lemon with about 2 liters of clean water, stirring well to create a treatment solution. Dilution is very important because lemon juice is acidic. If used directly, it can easily affect the root system. Now, I will soak the entire base of the orchid in the diluted lemon solution. This step allows the solution to directly contact the roots, supporting antibacterial action, cleaning, and removing remaining fungi. During soaking, you should only soak for a short time, about 10 to 15 minutes, to ensure effectiveness while still being safe for the roots. During the soaking time, I will use a soft cotton pad to absorb the lemon solution, then gently wipe all the leaves of the orchid. When wiping, you should wipe both sides of the leaves, especially the underside, where the plant exchanges gases and absorbs nutrients more effectively. The lemon solution will help clean dirt, remove bacteria and mild fungi on the leaf surface, while also helping the leaves become more ventilated and perform photosynthesis more effectively. You should handle gently. Avoid scratching the leaves to ensure the plant remains healthy and safe during the recovery process. The remaining solution I will use to soak pine bark, the substrate used to repot the orchid. The lemon solution helps disinfect, remove fungi and bacteria that may exist in the pine bark, and clean the substrate before use. As a result, when repotting, the root system will be placed in a clean, safe, and well-ventilated environment, reducing the risk of disease and root rot. I will soak the substrate for about 15 minutes. During this time, I will use the remaining lemon peel and chop it into small pieces. Lemon peel contains natural essential oils, antibacterial, and antifungal compounds, helping limit the growth of bacteria and harmful insects. In addition, essential oils from lemon peel also have a mild insect-repelling effect, helping make the growing environment cleaner and safer for orchids. Put all the chopped lemon peel into a clean glass jar. Then add about 3 tablespoons of rice. This combination helps the essential oils from the lemon peel, along with vitamins and minerals from rice blend together, creating a solution rich in natural nutrients. Add 500 milliliters of warm water and stir well. This mixture not only helps with antibacterial action and limits fungal diseases, but also provides light nutrition, supporting the plant to recover and grow better after repotting. Cover and let the mixture steep for about 3 hours so that the nutrients are fully extracted. After about 15 minutes, when the orchid and pine bark have been soaked enough, I will take the plant out and begin repotting. I have created subtitles in multiple languages. Please select your preferred language. Comment below and let me know which country you are watching from. It's amazing that we can connect from all around the world. Today I will use a clay pot. This type of pot helps with good drainage and maintains ventilation for the root system. First, you need a piece of foam that fits the bottom of the pot. Then insert an iron rod or support stick in the middle to act as a support point for the orchid. Next, spread a thin layer of pine bark at the bottom of the pot to create aeration and prevent the roots from suffocating. Then, place the orchid in the center of the pot. Adjust it to stand straight, then tie it lightly to the support stick so the plant stands firmly and does not shake, especially important when the plant does not yet have many roots. Continue by covering the pine bark around the root system, gently pressing so the plant is fixed firmly, but still ensuring aeration. Which country are you watching this video from? It's wonderful that we can connect with each other from all over the world. If you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, please hit the subscribe button to support me and not miss any orchid care tips. Finally, cover the surface of the pot with a thin layer of moss. This moss layer helps retain light moisture for the base, creating favorable conditions for the plant to recover and develop new roots. After about 3 hours, when the lemon peel solution has steeped enough, I will filter out all the residue, keeping only the extracted liquid. Filtering carefully helps the solution become clear and clean without residue, avoiding sticking to the substrate or roots causing blockage and fungal growth. The obtained liquid now contains essential oils and antibacterial compounds from lemon peel, helping clean, protect the plant, and limit harmful insects. To ensure safety, I will dilute the solution with about 1 liter of clean water, helping reduce concentration and making it more suitable for the newly repotted orchid. Then, I will pour the solution into a watering can and gently water evenly around the base of the orchid. When watering, you should water around the substrate. Avoid watering directly at the base to limit water accumulation, causing rot. The solution will gradually penetrate into the root system, helping the plant absorb nutrients and be protected from fungal diseases. The remaining solution can also be used to water other orchids that are blooming in the garden. The lemon peel solution helps provide mild antibacterial effects, clean the substrate environment, and support the plant in increasing resistance and maintaining health during the flowering stage. When watering, you should water gently around the base. Avoid watering directly on the flowers to keep them unaffected and maintain longer-lasting blooms. This is a very effective way to utilize, helping you care for multiple plants in the garden simply and economically. Result after 3 weeks. After about 3 weeks, my orchid has produced many new roots, white, healthy, and growing strongly. Especially, a new young leaf has also appeared at the top, which proves that the plant has adapted well to the new environment and has begun to recover and grow steadily. What do you think about this method of repotting orchids? As long as you care for them properly, your orchids will gradually become healthier and begin to produce new shoots from the leaf axils. From there, new flower spikes will form, creating the foundation for brilliant flowers in the near future. Take care of them with all your love and patience, and you will receive worthy results.